Mass production is a manufacturing process where products are produced in large quantities using standardized methods and machineries. It's often associated with efficiency and cost reduction due to economies of scale. There are several types of mass production methods depending on specific industry and products. Some common types include: first is the continuous flow production. This method involves a continuous and uninterrupted production process. It's often used for products with high demand and a steady production rate, like mechanical or petroleum refining. Second is the assembly line production. This is a widely used method where products move along an assembly line with different workers or machines performing specific tasks. It's common in industries like automotive manufacturing. Third is the cellular manufacturing. In this approach, production is organized into cells, each responsible for a specific part of production process. It's commonly used in industry where product variety is important. Fourth is just in time or GIT production. The GIT production focuses on producing goods only as they are needed, minimizing excess inventory. This method is often seen in industries where quick response to customers' demand is critical. Those are the choice of mass production methods depends on factors such as the types of products, market demands, productions, volume, and efficiency goals. Why mass production is important for several reasons. First is cost efficiency. Mass production allows for economies of scale, leading to lower production costs per unit. This makes products more affordable for consumers and then can increase a company's profitability. Second, increase productivity. The assembly line process and standards method enable higher production rates and faster output, leading to greater overall productivity. Third is consistency and quality control. Mass production methods are designed to produce identical, higher quality products. Consistency is a manufacturing process, helps maintain quality standard and reduce defects. Fourth is quick delivery. Mass production can be met high demand quickly, ensuring products are readily available to consumers. Last is innovation and technological advancement. Mass production often drives innovation in machinery, automations, and production techniques, leading to advancement in manufacturing technologies. However, it's important to balance the benefits of mass production with environmental and social consideration, such as waste generation, resource consumption, and worker condition to ensure sustainable and responsible manufacturing practice.
Consumerism is the idea that increasing the consumption of a goods and service is always a desirable goal and that a person's well-being and happiness depends fundamentally on obtaining more consumer goods and materials possession.
Moving on, there's some example of consumerism. For example, you buy a car for each of your kids when they can share. So when the basic purpose of a car is to go from one place to another, and all your kids can do so in one car, but you make each of your kids buy them each one of them a car. So that is consumerism. Because you are now going excess from what you could have done with one car.
Number 2. Going to private hospitals. Example, if state hospitals can accommodate you, but you go to private hospitals just because they are slightly better. So that also comes under the umbrella of consumerism. Number 3. When you buy a big house whereas you can live in a smaller house, I mean, a small house is as good as a big house when it comes to living, but you go for bigger houses because they are more luxurious and spacious. So that is also an example of consumerism. And the last one, buying a bigger and more luxurious car instead or an economical car once again is an example of consumerism.
Positive impacts of consumerism. Number 1, increases economic output and creates jobs. Number 2, leads to increases in wealth for companies. Number 3, promotes competition between companies. Number 4, allow for a large variety of goods and services. Number 5, improves the quality of life for people.
There are five negative impacts of consumerism. Number one, causes more pollution. Number two, a major contributor to resource depletion. Number three, leads to companies to develop low quality products. Number four, promotes poor labor standards and pay for workers. And also number five, does not necessarily lead to increased happiness beyond a certain point.